back on division. Division, you want to change it to multiplying, you flip and multiply. So I'm going to change it to multiplying, so I'm going to flip this. So you flip and multiply. I wrote it over here. So I'm going to flip this, or I'll just put times. I'm going to flip and multiply. Just flip it and multiply. That's the key on that. So that one's not too bad. When we get to adding and subtracting, that's when the bad words start flowing out. And then those rational. We're not doing too bad on time, but as I said, this is an exhausting lesson. This is a tough lesson. Okay, then we factor what multiplies -8, adds -2. I'm going to rewrite this down here. -4 and +2. Kimber, x squared minus 9. How's that factor? Yes. Kimber 105 Hamilton. Up there with Ty 105 Bates. It's a because she locked in and studied hard for this one. She actually worked really hard to study. I was proud of her. No, y'all did good. Y'all are doing good. All right. X minus 4, cancel the x minus 4. X plus 3 with x plus 3. So you're left with x plus 2 divided by x minus 3. Workday next week. Okay, now, this is where Cameron was asking about earlier. So, Cameron, this is not what this question asked, but on your homework. Now, this is the coal property. Like, do you know how to do this in your head, Cameron? What minus 3 gives you 0? What plus 3 gives you 0? -3. What minus 4 gives you 0? There you go. So, like, you could do that in your head on there as well. But that's going to be, they're going to ask for what are the excluded values or what values are excluded from the domain. That's what they're going to ask in addition to what I asked you there. And so I just want to make sure we'll go over it all tomorrow. We'll be good. These are the values that you cannot have. Basically, these would make the bottom equal 0. And so you cannot have 0 on the bottom of a fraction. So they call them excluded values. Whenever they cancel, we'll learn this with the graphing, they create a hole. Whenever it's like this, it just creates an asymptote. We'll talk about that later.